How to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify using Loox. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will show you this step by step and it's going to be completely for free. So the first thing is going to be installing the actual app. So in order to do so, just log into your Shopify store, click on apps, click on all recommended apps, and click on Shopify App Store. From here you simply just want to go ahead and look up Loox, and then just go in and install it right away. Click on install one more time. And now you can just go in and use Loox for free, or you can feel free to select any other plan that suits you best. From here, we're just going to go through the setup, so language and also which theme you want to install it in. So I'm just going to select the Horizon theme, click on continue. And then we just need to enable it. So just click on enable Loox core script. Make sure that it is turned on from the left panel here and click on save from the top right corner. Once that's done, we simply just click on continue and then we just click on add product reviews widget. Once it's added, you can feel free to move it up or down. It's up to you, but I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on save from the top right corner. Once you're ready, click on continue one more time and you can feel free to customize this however you like. And I'm just going to click on continue. If you want to offer a discount, feel free to pick whichever one you want. And click on go to Loox admin, and now from here we can feel free to actually import reviews. So to import from AliExpress, you simply just want to click on import reviews, select AliExpress, and then we just want to drag the import to Loox to our bookmarks tab. So let's just exit full screen. And if you don't have your bookmarks tab available here, you can just click on the three dots on the top right corner. If you're using Chrome, go to bookmarks and lists, click on show bookmarks bar. Go ahead and drag this and drop it over here. And now we simply just want to go to AliExpress and use that to import the reviews. So let's say we want to import the reviews from this product. So we simply just go and open it up like so. Go to the button that we just dragged and click on import to Loox. From here, the first step is going to be selecting the product you want to import the reviews to. So I'm just going to leave it as red, as if that's a product. Select how many reviews you want to scan. I'm just going to leave it as 20. The rating, the reviews from, and translate to English if you want to. All of these options are optional and you can feel free to set them up however you like. Once you're happy with it, just click on preview and import. Now it's just going to show you slides of different reviews. You can feel free to reject them or import them, and you can just feel free to do this however many times you actually like. So you can feel free to reject this one because it's a low review, import, and so on. So once you're happy with it, you can just click on finish importing. With that, we are pretty much good to go. We can just go to our online store, preview it, and we should be able to see that the reviews are going to be available here for us to see. As you can see, these are the same reviews that we have accepted, and they're all over here. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.